So like I said, this is what we're going to be getting started on. We're going to untarp it here in a minute and get all the doors open. It is loaded with parts, so we're going to open it up here and see what we've got. This is our project for today. We got to get this baby unpacked. So I have my dad helping me, and we came across a very, very nice surprise. So I didn't even know, because I've never unpacked this car. I just bought it and then I kind of just let it sit. But all the parts over here, as you can see. But here is the wonderful, wonderful surprise. It has the original table with it. And it is in beautiful condition. So that makes everything really, really worth it. Surprise, surprise. So there it is in all of its glory, uncovered. I didn't even know, honestly, that this car had the table still in it. Like I said, I bought the car and pretty much just parked it. Haven't unpacked it yet. So like I said, we got everything out, and there it is. And the original Landau bars as well. So that was a very, very nice surprise of the day. So we're gonna start the initial vacuum here pretty soon, but we were looking underneath here and just how clean it is. Clean, and I mean, not clean, it needs to be vacuumed, but just the wiring and everything for the table. And this is all original, so we should be able to get it working, I hope. And it is just amazing. We are so excited. So we're gonna get the vacuum out right now and just start an initial kind of a cleanup and see what we've got to work with. The floors in this car, this has always been a California car, so I mean, that's the original primer on the floors. They're beautiful. But never any rust on this car, never any rust repair. 57,000 original miles. And the find and the treasure of the day, that table. So this is our little father-daughter project for the new year, and he is having a good time going through, seeing everything for the first time, how clean it is. Like I said, this is the first time we've ever even undone anything on this car. Yeah, let's see what's in there.
Storage.
Nice.
Motor at the table.
All right, here's the moment of truth. We are undoing the table for the first time. This is what makes a three-way so awesome. This is just the treasure of the day to find that this car still has this. So we're gonna get vacuuming on this, but I mean, you can see the condition of the floor, just how beautiful it is. You know, it's just very dirty, obviously, untouched. But if you look at the interior, can't wait to get vacuuming. But yes, to find the table in here, that is the prize of the day. Thank you guys for watching, and we're gonna keep making some videos here today. So as I've mentioned in many of my videos before, my dad has got the trusty degreaser. We use this on all of our cars. You can pick it up at any auto parts store, and then just fine grit steel wool. It will not scratch anything. So we're gonna start using the steel wool on some of the metal of the table and also the laminate of the floor. And it will make the inside look like brand new. So stay tuned. Thank you everybody so much for watching today. So this is the finished product. We just did kind of like an initial vacuum and wipe down of the floor. We haven't, you know, completely detailed it yet or anything like that. But now we have this huge mess to go file through and put away. So that's what we're gonna be doing for the next couple hours. I just wanted to thank everybody for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. This car, we will be restoring it and getting it back on the road. So make sure that you subscribe to keep updated with videos. I have a lot of new projects coming in this month and just a lot of fun stuff going on here. Thank you for watching, everybody. Have a blessed day.